Hi, this is Adam Ostrowski, the physiotherapist. Today we focusing on the thoracic spine. We'll be doing rotational exercises and more. Exercise number 1, supine thoracic rotation. Start by bringing your legs to one side, let's say to the left, then move your arm across your body, rotating into a side lying position. Next, bring your arms and legs back to the starting position. Do this movement alternating sides slowly and without rushing. Notice that I don't move the arms. Doing so would make the exercise more intense. If you feel strong enough or have been doing this exercise for some time, feel free to try the more advanced version. It's a great rotational exercise for the thoracic spine. Exercise number 2, side-lying arm rotations. This exercise is similar but done lying on your side, rotating only through the shoulder girdle. I'll demonstrate lying on my left side, but of course this can be done on both sides. Lie down on your side, extend your arms forward and notice how I lead the top arm across my body, allowing the head to follow the hand. This way I rotate through both the thoracic and cervical spine. The head should rest loosely on the floor. When I reach the arm forward again, I rotate the shoulders even more than I would just lying on my side. This movement activates the thoracic spine in both directions. A more advanced version is to reach the top arm all the way across and lay both arms flat on the floor. Let me know if you like this exercise and if it works well for you. Now we'll do a cat-cow stretch. Start in an all-fours position with your knees under your hips and your hands under your shoulders. Begin from a neutral spine. Don't tuck your pelvis or raise it too high. From here, use your head and spine to push the middle of your back, thoracic spine, up as high as possible while tucking your chin down. Then bring your chest downward and lift your head up. This way we mobilize the thoracic joints and gently activate the muscles. Repeat the movement slowly and smoothly. Let me know if you like these exercises. I hope you join me in the next videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the idea. See you in the next one. Bye.